All right, guys, so I got the airbox in, and of course I did have one, a car that we actually just got in the other day. And I'm actually going to make a video about it. It's going to be a looks can be deceiving video, and you'll understand why when you see the video when I make it out. But apparently it's a difference between a twin cam and a single cam motor. And the single cam has just a regular airbox mounted where the battery is on this. So, but this one happened to be a twin cam, so I was able to steal the box out of that. So let me just show you here real quick. So here it is, it's a new box in place. Like I said, the other one, the single cam, has an air filter over here. So let me go in here. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do first is turn the key on. I'm gonna clear all the codes first. Just gonna clear them out. Okay, so continue. All right, code's cleared. All right, so let's start it up. Now beforehand, when I did this, it took a minute or so for the problem to start happening. I'll tell you what, that sounds pretty darn smooth. I'm confident that was the issue before. So me spraying the brake clean, in case any of you guys are wondering, what was happening was because this is a flammable brake clean. Some brake cleans are non-flammable, but this one is flammable. What's happening is because it's flammable, the vapors from it are winding up getting sucked in. So it's compensating for the lean condition caused by the unmetered air. So you can do the same thing with carburetor cleaner or whatever. Obviously, you got to be careful because you can start a fire. You don't want that to happen for obvious reasons. So I'm confident we're all set here. I'm going to take this thing for a quickly road test and see what happens. But it's running way better than it ever did. So see that? The customer would have told me they were in an accident, and then after the accident is when this happened, I would have looked right there. Instead, I was checking O2 sensors and all sorts of stuff. Didn't have to go through all of that. So that's it for now. I'm going to road test this, see what happens. I guarantee you it's going to be fine. If it's not, I'll make another video. So that's about it. If you like my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. It'll help me make more videos. If you want to join our Backyard Mechanics page on Facebook, go right ahead. Make sure you answer all the questions and don't block your profile. So that's about it for now. You guys have a great day and keep wrenching.